trying to get filled on this C period. This is the overnight session. This is the first time back to half back, and you got VWAP right here. You can see that you kind of have two separate nodes. You have this lower node here, and you have this upper node here. I'd like to see this spring out of here, uh, showing me that we're going to stay in this node. I could test this area a little, but I wouldn't want to go much past this. You can see where where it put the stop, 65, 75. I don't think you'd need to be much lower than this. I just led this half back just a little bit. Try to make sure I got a fill. There's our 27 ticks and our 40 ticks level. We just don't want to see this break into here, into this lower node. You can see this cutout in the volume profile here. Say from there to there. I'd like to see a little more spring out of this area, but it is pre-market and the volume's pretty low, so you got to give it a little more time. And you have these two separate nodes like this. You want to treat them to two separate areas. So if we're in this area, I would be playing this node back and forth. And if we broke into this area like we are now, then you're playing this node back and forth. You do want to keep an eye on the fact that your volume profile POC is down here. There we're getting a little more action out of from this VWAP. Just taking a little longer because it's pre-market. I'm looking at this getting at least into here. But you have this other POC here. Their volume area high from the other day, from the 21st, is right here. You can see this big node. I would think the 40 ticks would be possible, and especially our 27 ticks. Seems pretty reasonable. Only 3 minutes till the pre-market D period opens. I could see a retest of this VWAP area, but it really shouldn't break this. But again, you could get a test of this area down here. So we'll just let it work. Now we're getting a little push up. See if we can break this C period. Check where our targets are at. 57.75. Yep. I'd probably be happy with that target if it, I need to watch it here, but if it gets up here, pretty good momentum, I might move it out of the way, shoot for this 40 ticks. But if it's just slow grinding like this, I'm going to watch it in here. That would be 5 points, 21, 22 ticks. Then you'll want to watch it here. But anywhere in here, that'd be about 20 ticks. So we just want to make sure how it's getting there, basically. You want to watch to see how it gets there. So if it's really moving, I'll let it wait for the target. If it gets up in here and grinds around, I'll probably just take it. So I want to see it break this C period here, this round, or I'll at least move my stop off. If not, just cancel out of the trade. Just want to see some progress. In Quantower, you can set these alerts to your to alert your cell phone. So that's kind of nice. You don't have to sit and stare at the screen the whole time. You can just pick certain levels that you're interested in, especially in these longer trades like this. There's our break above C period. That's moving pretty good. Now I definitely don't want to see it down in here. You can move your stop up basically under D here if you wanted. It's up to you, but I wouldn't want to see it come back in this area. I think you could go as high as like 71.25. You might want to come down and test this area. So you got that POC shift. That just means that more volume is now traded at that area than the area where it was located before. I'm also watching this time clock. Basically got 18 minutes and 40 seconds to complete the trade. I probably wouldn't want to be in this trade through the open. Sometimes I'll trade the overnight inventory corrections, but this isn't set up for that. There's the break D period. So now with the time constraint, I'll probably will take this at the 75, 75. And you could move your stop up just based on the fact that there's no point in giving it back. £3 would be 72. We get even close to the 75, 75, I'll take it. I think right there. Good trade.